motorcycle for it. I don't think he's a very nice person. I mean, pen and paper would not, just kidding. That is funny to think how much we used to pay. I don't know, a typewriter would be, $1,200 in today's money. Uh,
Yeah,
you
I
know,
mean, yeah. Well, I thought at one point, well, maybe this is, I was trying to think of famous writers in Mexico. I was thinking, well, maybe it was Tony York. You know,
okay.
he's taught at UNM for years, but I looked at his biography. He got here in the 1960s, early 60s, so it wasn't.
Yeah, and it's exciting. I've done that a few times where something comes with a typewriter, a receipt or something, and I'm able to Google it and look up a long lost cousin of who used to own this, and they can give me a little information on it, which I put in that binder I was showing off the other day, that binder where I
Yeah,
write all the information about the typewriter that I know, and every typewriter has its own page and its own number. Um,
that's right.
yeah, it's really great to know that these machines really have a crap ton of history that we just could not believe to imagine at all.
Oh, I know. We might not even want to know this information.
Huh?
Talk about history, Joe, with all that you've seen, with all the episodes you've done, and the
Yeah.
history you've had. Consider the history of where you see the typewriter growing in the next 5, 10, 20 years, just from your perspective.
That's a great question. So I guess two things, right? Is the typewriter community where it's going, but as far as the typewriter technology, um, someone I hope is going to take modern manufacturing methods and remanufacture a quality typewriter. And I've had discussions about this in Facebook groups and whatnot, but I think maybe we would need to look at a different design, like a Hammond, instead of a Type R machine, for a machine that can be manufactured with quality, with fewer mechanical parts. If you think of the way a Hammond is built, it just has less parts. And the problem is always metallurgy, right? The quality of the metals
Yep.
used, because we are memory keepers typewriters based on what some quality Japanese design, right?
Right.
Maybe a brother or Silver Seiko or something. It's based on that, but it's executed with such poor materials, not the hardest materials, the ductility, and the parts aren't precisely aligned and manufactured and assembled. So that's part of it. I guess you could say that if some manufacturer engaged in wanted to create $1,000 level, I think an inkjet typewriter would be kind of cool innovation.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I'll tell you, do you see more writers using typewriters, getting away from computer? I mean, you have a writing group, I think,